Welcome to Simon Tools. Today, Simon Fu have nothing to do again, and we will do something very stupid actually. Anyway, we have the Chinese friends. My Chinese friend bought this motor for a Baron mixer. Okay, Baron mixer, and of course the Chinese design, it look very fancy. I don't know how it look, but you know what I'm gonna do today? Okay, we do something very stupid and crazy. This is brand spanking new motor, and we try to explain for you. Okay, let's turn it on. And the reason for me to do is nothing, because this bastard's been very fast, and it worked perfectly. And what we have to do is they are buying this one for the wrong RPM. They say 1400, and the normal one supposed to be 800 or 900 RPM for the Baron mixer. This is way too fast. They have another solution. They can changing the bigger pulley to make into the big pulley over there. It goes slower, like bigger 3 times. It's going to be 3 times or 2 times slower. But the problem is, if they go bigger, the torques will be the motor will have no torque for pull the big wheels. So that's why the smaller this one, the stronger for the motor. But if we replace the pulleys, it will wig out, make a big pulleys. It goes slower, but it will wig out the what I call the motor. They can't handle it. Very small capacity and 750 watts. Save energy. They built for strong but small pulleys, but it go fast. So what we do is we can buy something like this one. It's called a 240 volt controller. You can buy them online anyway, but if you are in America, buy 110 volt. This is the Australian version, just buy 240, and they come with a knob like this. And this one, I believe, is built for 4000 watts. So that one is 750, so plenty of power to do. So we bypass and check. They're very simple, and we tested, see how we control, and put hole here. Let's see how strong the force. If we go down slow and we can hold this one and it's still spinning, that means it's good, and you can see the force still pulling. So very simple. For test first before we install. Okay, for test you can do anything, man. Anything. Okay, this one is called the step down control, motor control, and we can have something smaller than this one, but we try this one first. I believe I have something else smaller, or we can make this one outside the box somewhere and hiding somewhere, and then control go through here. Very easy. Just up 2 wires there. Go 1, 2 in here and 1, 2 in here, and we can have it. But yeah, let's see. The pliers pull the bastard out. It's been me dead. It's got a little clip there somewhere. Fuck me dead. Stay alright. Okay, we just leave it there for time being. Ridiculous, man. Shit design. Make its action how harder. Okay, we try the inlet into 1, 2 here, and the outlets on number 3, 4. Okay, inlet, outlet, inlet, doesn't matter, the same shit. This is a little bit bigger, but still 400 watts, 4000 watts. And this one, smaller one, they may go fit inside somewhere, but it's still 4000 watts. Okay, smaller. Okay, and we'll see if we can sneak somewhere if you want. So we try a different way first, see how we go, and then we will call you from there. So the wire from the inlet, this one, and split out from the switch, go to the switch here, and you can control them. Okay, we are setting up. Okay, we're using any of them will be work the same way, but the main key is when we step down the when we try to step down the speed, we only use the red and black for thumb bean for test. Okay, you see the electrical wire for the house and quick test. We get this one out. We need this one. Too much wire, man. Cut too much of my wire. No money. Okay, just for thumb bean. You can do this if you don't worry about the zapping or electrocute, whatever. You can do like Simon. Don't worry, you only die once. So we go number 1, number 2. They always parallel. So we got inlet, outlet, whatever it is. You can divide 2 of them into outlets, inlets. Okay, some of them they put inlets, outlets, outlets, inlet, but this is the AC power. We don't really worry about inlet or outlets. Okay, they can go both direction. It can be working on both sides. Okay, so I use the number 1. See this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use this one for inlet, or you can use this one outlet, or you can use this one inlet for outlets. It doesn't matter. Okay, it still works the same way. So I use this one for the outlets. Just plug in here, and then later we have to pull it back out again anyway. So that's why for firm thumb bean. Okay, thumb bean. Okay, thumb bean. Okay, the inlets into here. That's it, and sorry, the outlets here. Outlets and inlets they connect in here for thumb beans as well. And I just try to split this one in half, just for testing, see how it works. And of course, see how it works. See how it works before we go on further for put in the real action, like I did to the last videos for the mud fan control and this one. Okay, all about the same. There is no different, but we have to test them outside. Normally you get the flat screwdriver, but I am a super fast boy. Everything impact my quicker, and I only do firm. I don't damage them, just firm. Who cares? Who cares what people talk about? We only do testing, man. Okay, that's it. Got here, and we got to hook them onto the two inlet power here. We hook this one there and there, and that's the inlets. The power. The power is very low ampere as well, so it's about 5 ampere wires. Don't short anything behind here, just on the floor, but you know, okay? No short circuit. Put everything metal away, okay? And turn this way around. And around here. Okay, now one more time. For step down, speed step down motor, the inlet wire go into one of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I divide them into half, okay? If it's a 4 pole, 1, 2 in, 2 in, 2 out, okay? And the out one here, and the switch. What I do is flag on, and try to play. Okay, turn up the power here, and then I put on like this. If it go kaboom, I die. Okay, now we turn on. Okay, now this one got power. Of course, you can test by voltmeter input output, but anyway, we'll see you the demo. Don't do like Simon do. Simon only at home, okay? So it's too low. See? Here you go. Slow. But you go like that, you go up a little bit higher. Load, you can control fast or slow, the higher, see, the lower. Okay, see? Max, that means direct all the way there. Direct power, like 240 volt, and go like that. Like this, I think it's good enough for the bearings, but too fast, too slow, see? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching short video about Simon tools, how to connect the control switch, control step down, it calls speed control. It got a good and it got a bad. For the engine that go fast, that means more torque, but it goes slow, it's less torque. So if you put the control speed on, if you keep the 240 volt, it's got full torque to pull. But be careful, if you put the controller on, if you got too low, it's not enough voltage to make the motor working. That means it's less force, so it cannot turn the wheel bearing mixer. So the best way is put them on, and then when you try to turn the knobs onto the certain speed you want, and then that should be enough load for that one and that one turning. So that's it should work. It should work, and depends how you control them. But if you go too low, they wouldn't work. Okay, be careful about that. And yeah, you should try them on and make it help for you. But maybe when you buy online, you did buy the wrong motor because you did not look at the RPM. So make sure you get the one that call 800 or 900 RPM, who suit originally. Doesn't matter you replay pulley or not, it will suit your bearing mixer. But if you go too fast, they wouldn't fit. But trust me, man, the bearing mixer they don't need 1400 RPM, man. They only need 900 with you. Okay, thanks for watching Simon Tools.